Hi everyone, it's Marissa and Kristin here from Rise High, tuning in to share with you an example of how we have helped a client recently. So Kristin, you've been very busy.
Yes,
helping lots of clients, making their dreams come true. So can you share with us a recent experience that has been really exciting for you?
Yeah, absolutely. So a favourite part of my job as a mortgage broker is getting back in touch with my clients on a fairly regular basis to do a review of their home loan. So not only is it sometimes a bit of a social call, catching up on what's going on in their lives, but also just to touch base and see how they're travelling, if they've had any changes to their financial circumstances. But a recent one that I had was where a client was extremely happy with their existing bank. Really no big changes in their financial position, so same sort of employment, no new liabilities in there. So one of the really enjoyable part of my process is getting to contact their existing financial institution and seeing if we can obtain a better home loan rate for them. So it's something that we just do on a fairly regular basis, and it was just a really exciting phone call. So for these particular clients, as I said, pretty happy with how they were travelling, and I was just able to ring them out of the blue and tell them that I could save them, I calculated about $2,700 per year in interest alone, just by pushing really hard to get a better rate on their existing home loan with their current lender. So
what a great outcome. So the customer doesn't have to do anything to get that discount. It's just thank you for being a Rise High client. Here's an extra $2,700 saving.
Yep.
Yeah, that's enough for them to go on a holiday, or
yeah,
they can put
absolutely.
that money back into their mortgage
Paid
if they
off
wanted
faster.
to pay it off faster.
Yep.
It is true. It's such a nice thing to be able to do, and it is something that does set Rise High apart from other mortgage brokers, because we do offer a complimentary home loan review process for all of our customers.
It's like a bit of a health check, I guess. So it's like doing that, that health check at the doctors or checking your insurances. It's something that we just take out of your hands, make your life a little bit easier for you, and hopefully save you some money.
As a really experienced broker, Kristin, you've got a really nice group of clients that you've had for years.
I adore
and years.
my clients,
and,
absolutely.
I know that, how much does that process mean to you, of being able to have those regular check-ins and being able to delight them unexpectedly with extra discounts without them having to do anything or pay any extra money?
It's definitely a part of my week that I look forward to every week, is setting aside the time to make those phone calls and make sure we're doing the right thing.
So if your mortgage broker or bank's not delighting you with extra discounts randomly, then perhaps you need a new mortgage broker, and we'd love to help you out. Please contact the team at Rise High, and we'd love to help you out to ensure that you remain on a competitively priced home loan throughout your journey. Thanks, Kristin, and thanks guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.